Hello everyone, let's talk about the male reproductive organ and this organ function. So in short, I am going to explain and making beneficial this video for you. Okay, so let's talk about the male reproductive system. When you are going to remember the name of this male reproductive system and you are going to face the exam, so you have to go through this name. So what is this name, and along with that, in short only, I have drawn the diagram and some function of this organ. Let's see and making beneficial for you. Testis. So I have prepared here one testis. You know it is present in pair. So what is testis? It helps in sperm production. Then collecting duct. That duct is there joined by testis called as collecting duct. This helps in transport and storage of sperm. Third point, epididymis. Epididymis is a pipeline structure which originates from testis, cross through the testis and help in transportation and maturation of sperm. Then next point, vas deferens. Vas deferens is also called as sperm duct which arise from the epididymis and help in ejaculation of sperm. Okay, then students, seminal vesicle. See here I have used one gland, one, number 2, 3, and one more is there, number 3rd. These three are the gland of male reproductive part which you have to remember, because these three always have been asked in board examination. What is function of seminal vesicle, what is function of prostate gland, what is function of Cowper gland. So this video is also helpful for on the basis of this 2 or 3 marks question. So seminal vesicle are present in pair. Here also you can meet, they are present in pair and help in secretion of thick liquid. So this thick liquid is alkaline in nature. Okay, it mixed with sperm. Then next one is urine ureter. One pipeline come through this main line from kidney. Okay, so that is called as ureter. Next one is prostate gland. Prostate gland is single found below to the seminal vesicle called as prostate gland, help in secretion of thin alkaline solution which again mix with sperm coming from the testis. Then again last, Cowper gland. It is also one of the important gland found in the male reproductive part which help in lubrication of sperm. It also help the lubrication of vagina and penis during sexual intercourse. Okay, then one more, urethra and penis. Urethra is a joint pipeline arise from the testis and it's come here the last line, and penis help in copulation, okay, during sexual intercourse. So this is the short and specific for you student, the name of male reproductive part and in short their function. Thank you student, please see video and like it.